20 ते 28 नोव्हेंबर मजगतीं गोंयांत जावपी आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचो पड्डो आयतारा उगडटलो. निर्माता, दिग्दर्शक आनी नामनेचे अभिनेते अजय देवगन इफ्फीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण हाजीर आसतले. सुमार 88 देशांतले 194 चित्रपट ह्या महोत्सवांत दाखयतले. महोत्सवाचो पड्डो आफ्टर इमेज ह्या चित्रपटान उगडटलो, जाल्यार समारोप सुवाळ्याक द एज ऑफ शॅडो सिनेमा दाखयतले. जांचे कडेन इफ्फीचे पास नात तांकां इफ्फीचो लाव घेवपाक मेळचो म्हण चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क्स आनी गोंयच्या हेर सुवातांनी सिनेमा दाखयतले, अशी माहिती इफ्फीच्या आयोजकांनी दिल्या. हार्ट डेस्क गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
It will be a real delight for all the film delegates who have registered for the festival to have a glimpse of the best of world cinema this year, and also the best of Indian cinema this year in the Indian drama section. As far as Iffi is concerned, every year we honor one of the most eminent filmmakers of the world with a Lifetime Achievement Award. And this year, as you all know, the legendary Korean filmmaker Im Kwon-taek is being honored with the Centenary Film Personality, with the Lifetime Achievement Award of the year. As far as the Centenary Film Personality of the year is concerned, this year we have decided to honor Shri S.P. Balasubramaniam, who's completing 5 decades in the industry this year, and he is exceptional, and we are honoring him in recognition of his exceptional journey in Indian cinema as a singer, actor, and producer. He has been one of the most prolific singers of the country, with more than over 40,000 song recordings in multiple languages. As far as the movie screenings itself is concerned, this year Iffi is going to set a history of sorts in the number of gala screenings we have as a special screening effort. We have 4 world premieres and 6 international premieres, with almost all the entire red carpet, entire cast and crew of most of these films coming here to Goa for the first time. Again, we would like to thank the CEO of ESG and the Government of Goa for providing some additional funds for this purpose, so that we could get such a galaxy of cast and crew from all these special gala screening films. In addition to that, we have 26 Asian premieres and 104 Indian premieres, and we have several Oscar-winning entries of different countries, as it was last year.
This year, the film festival, we've introduced RFID cards. So all delegate cards have RFID enablement. There will be access readers for RFID cards. This will help us to basically generate a heat map and understand which movies are more popularly sought by delegates. We also kept a barcode on that just in case as a fail-safe, so that there is no inconvenience to anybody. Our ushering teams have been properly briefed. We want to evacuate people as soon as possible. This year, as far as ticketing is concerned, we've also introduced a system of online reservation. So you can reserve a ticket online, but you have to redeem it at one of the collection counters. So there will be a ticketing counter specifically dedicated for redemption of online reservations. And those have to be redeemed within 2 hours of the start of a show. So that actually ensures that people don't book tickets and not turn up. We've given this facility, it's not an online booking of seats, so you can't book your seat online. You can reserve it and then you come and redeem it. So this is just a IT digital enablement. The other thing we're happy to announce, last year Wi-Fi was a problem in some places. So this year we've tied up with Vodafone, and as a part of sponsorship from them, we've been able to put in place a Wi-Fi network around all the venues, which is on a 200 MB bandwidth. So speed is not a problem. We are giving dedicated bandwidth to the media as well, so that in terms of uploading content, in terms of publishing stories, videos, other posts, there's no hassle whatsoever. This year the festival also has certain delights for non-delegates. So in the area between Kala Academy and the Kampal Children's Park, we have 2 events planned for general people who will not be able to come into the main festival areas. So we have a Goa High Street, which is basically a showcase property on Goan culture, Goan food, cuisine, music, entertainment, and merchandising. And then we also thought that last time around we must do something for children because they often get left out because they can't enter the venues over here. So we've decided this year to have a small children's film village where there will be a screening of movies for children and different cultural programs and different entertainment options for children. So we want it to be an immersive family experience. I know a lot of families come to see the film festival. This year's film festival also has a showstopper. The showstopper is a new experiment that we've tried out, and that's projection mapping. So every day in the evening, on the main facade of the old GMC building, there will be a visual delight of projection mapping